So the upcoming Unpacked event, scheduled to take place in either July or August, featuring the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, is an important launch event for Samsung, as the company is betting big on foldables as the future of smartphones for the next decade. Samsung has gone all in with its foldable smartphone lineup, putting almost every smartphone company on notice, including Apple. And with the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, Samsung is gearing up to make an even bigger impact that will surely take the foldables out of the niche market if the Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 didn't do it already. We have quite a lot of big revelations today regarding the Z Fold 4. That reveals we are finally getting what we've been asking for years. First up, recently, Ice Universe mentioned that the Z Fold 4 will be lighter, thinner, and will be more compact than its predecessor. A day later, he tweeted that this size change is going to be pretty significant. Not only it's smaller and lighter, but the bezels have been trimmed as well, which is about time. Today he gave more context, saying the inner display aspect ratio of the Z Fold 4 has been made closer to a square, from a 5:4 tall aspect ratio on the Z Fold 3. He even provided a render to demonstrate how this change is going to be. A squarish inner display on the Z Fold 4 means the outer display is going to get wider as well. Huawei's Mate X2 has a squarish inner screen, and hence the cover display is much wider than the Z Fold 3. So this is a nice welcome change we're getting with the Z Fold 4. A narrow outer display is one of the 3 biggest complaints people have with Samsung's foldables. And it's about time that Samsung is finally addressing the limitation. Now some of you might be wondering, since the Z Fold 4 is getting thinner, lighter, and more compact, it would mean they are compromising the battery. Well, that is not the case. The batteries of the Z Fold 4 have been leaked, and it shows the capacity is remaining the same, which is 4,400 mAh, same as the Z Fold 3. The battery life on the Z Fold 3 wasn't really impressive, so some of you think it remaining the same isn't really good news. But the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus is expected to be much more efficient, as Qualcomm is expected to tweak the Prime core in favor of better efficiency. So expect the battery life to be a little better than last time. Now, because of all these changes coupled with a flagship camera system, Samsung is expecting a huge demand for the new foldables. Ross Young, the display analyst, says the production of the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 are more than double what it was for the Fold 3 and Flip 3, at least for the launch. Now, to achieve this, Ross Young also believes Samsung might reduce the price of the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, which is going to be awesome. But we'll have to wait for more concrete evidence to suggest the price cut is indeed happening. Rest assured, I'll keep you posted, so do consider subscribing for that, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.